Making payments has never been easier with the new payments platform and OSCO. Here's how to make a payment using PayID. To do that, you must add them as a new payee. Simply click Pay Anyone. Then click New Payee. Make sure you've selected the corresponding PayID type up the top. Then enter their details and press Save. These details need to be provided to you by the payee. Then, to make a payment, once you have selected the payee, you choose the account you want to make a payment from. Type in the amount. Note, payments made to mobile numbers and email addresses automatically use the OSCO payment platform. Feel free to add a description, including emojis. Then, press Pay. Don't forget, for first-time payees, you'll receive a one-time password via SMS. Simply enter that, press Continue, and the payment is done. Paid real time, real safe, and real easy. For more information on using OSCO and the new payment platform, feel free to contact our call centre.